Hello, second graders. Today is our second day of working with our math book, and I want to show you something that I forgot to say yesterday, but I want to show you so that we can get to our right place easier every time we use our math book. And I see that I put this here. I'm using this ruler. You can use a bookmark. You can use a paper clip or a post-it note or whatever you have that can fit right inside your book. And go to where you were before. Okay, that will help you get to places quickly, and we'll be able to get started right away. Now, another thing I wanted to mention, if I go too fast, you can pause. You can even back up a little bit. You can restart the video and see all of the lesson as many times as you need. Okay? If it's something that you don't understand, even after trying your very best, because that happens, then bring your questions to the morning meeting and then we will talk about it there. All right, boys and girls, this is lesson 1.2. And again, we have a learning target. Every time I'm teaching, we have a learning target. And today, for math, it is use an addition equation to model even and odd numbers. Now, equation, remember, if I look at that word, the first part says equal. That's the beginning of the word equal. Equation, equal. So every time I see this in a number sentence, every time, let me see, I'll make it a little darker. Every time I see this in an equation, that tells me that it is an equation. Okay? Number sentence plus an equal sign equals equation. Now, it wants me to use linking cubes. I don't have linking cubes. I'm going to use buttons again. So let's model this sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Aren't these interesting buttons, boys and girls? I'll tell you, these buttons are older than you. These buttons are older than me. These buttons are even older than my dad. These are antique buttons in an old jar that we have. So you can use anything around the house that you can put down and use as markers. Okay, so I have 4 plus 4. Let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4, that's a double. We will learn about those very soon. 8 is our number. Let's see, is that a glare? Let me try to fix my... Okay, and when I have two groups of 4, that tells me it's an even number. Now let's go down to this bottom problem, and it says 5 plus 4. Same thing. I want to get out some more and model that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm adding 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 5 on the top and 4 on the bottom. If I had circled these, would these groups be the same? No, these are not equal groups. This one has one more than this one. So my 5 is a double, 4 plus 4, which is 8, plus one more, which makes 9. And since I know that I don't have two equal groups, I know that it is odd. So let me grab my markers so I can turn the page, and we'll look at the next page together. Oops. Here we go. The next page, it says, remember 11 equals 6 plus 5, which is called an equation. I want to look at 12 and 11. They've already colored them in for us. This one, I have 6 plus 6, and they said that 6 plus 6 is 2 even groups, 2 equal groups, so it is even. And this one, they colored in 6 plus 5, right? 6 plus 5. And since they've already colored it in and they know that they're not equal groups, they said that this one is odd. So let's go down here and let's color in. I like to color in pairs so that I can get my, so I can see if they are equal. All right, so let's do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are these equal groups? This one has 4, this one has 3. They are not equal. That's an odd number. What's the first one? 4, and the second one is 3. 7 equals 4 plus 3. That's what makes it an equation. 10. I know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have the same on the top group and the same on the bottom, so that makes it an even number. How many on the top? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many on the bottom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are the same. It's an even number. 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. I have the same on the top and the bottom. Every single one has a pair. So it is an even number. Let's just find out how many are in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And since I know that they are equal, because they are even, it's 7. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Let's do 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,